Hi, this is Reet here from Reet Jewelry, manufacturers and wholesalers of ADCZ Jewelry. Hope you all had a great weekend. Today I am back again with our two exclusive necklace design sets with various colors in stock. So let's begin with the first design. Is this the rhodium plated CZ necklace set with blue stones. Look at the design. It's pure rhodium plating. A lovely design. And these are the earrings. Cute little earrings. If you sometimes don't feel like wearing necklaces, have a western outfit, you can just carry the earrings because they're not that very big that it's you have to wait for a occasion. Have the chain with along it. Just the diamond replicas. You get various colors in this. We have the mint green, a golden. See, now I'll show you a champagne and golden. These two are different shades. A golden with rhodium. It looks exclusive. We just use the AAA star cut AD stones, which are always the premium quality ones, with the base metal as brass. So the quality what you will get with us, it's only the premium quality available at Reet's Jewelry. The earrings. Then you have the baby pink, which is favorite of all our ladies. Again, I would say that if anyone who doesn't like in colors, they just want the silver, we have the full white in rhodium plating. This you can carry out with any outfit. You don't need to wait for colors. So it's for them who love the plain white. Here I was talking about this one. We just saw the golden. See the difference. We just saw the golden and this is the champagne. So two different shades with a lovely design. The bottle green. Blue I have already shared with you. So see, we have limited pieces left in stock. As the wholesale, it's for wholesalers and manufacturers. So pick up your requirements. Let us know. Let's come up to the second design. A beautiful necklace set with red stones, the ruby ones. Here you can see there are chalky stones and the setting, the prong setting. It's beautifully designed by our karigars. The earrings, beautiful. We have not made it very small, not very big. It's sometimes very difficult to carry very big ones. These sizes of earrings are very comfortable to carry. Maybe sometimes along with necklace or without necklace. It's as per your choice. Look at the cut. And this also you will get different shades. Here this I have a golden. Normally what we do we get the basic colors in AD, that is red, blue, green, white. But what we try to make it in several colors so that it is easy for our clients, for our customers, or for wholesalers, to have variety in one design, different colors. So that's why we always try to make in different colors. Now this one, see, I showed you in golden. One I showed you in red. Now again there is a blue. For our clients based out of India, they love the champagne color, as I always say. It's for them, the champagne. Mint green, the trendy color in fashion. And yes, again, the full white, which you can't skip. Buy it for yourself or for your store. So these are the shades in this design. I have shared with you today exclusive 2 designs and the colors which are available in stock. So please do let me know for further details and your choices of colors, what you want to order, or any support. Please send a message at the number given below. Thank you so much.